It's always terrible that when you're in the middle of something important and your phone starts to ring. That's annoying, especially since there's an easy way to end those unexpected phone calls. Let me show you how that's done. What we're going to use is something called Flip to Silence, which is part of the Google Phone app. If you have a Pixel phone, that's standard. That is what you use, is the Google Phone app. And you can very easily set up Flip to Shh. It mutes calls and enables Do Not Disturb when the phone is face down. On non-Pixel phones, the feature is called Flip to Silence, but it only mutes incoming calls. I'm going to show you on a Pixel phone how to set this up. Start by opening up Phone by Google, which is this icon down here, and then click on the three-dot menu, top right, select Settings, and then scroll down to something that's called Flip to Shh, all the way down at the bottom. Select it, so turn it on, and as it says here, to turn on Do Not Disturb, place your phone face down on a flat surface. You'll feel a subtle vibration when Do Not Disturb turns on. So the next time you're in a Zoom meeting, make sure your phone is easily accessible, and if it should ring, just place it upside down on a flat surface to end that phone call. No fumbling for buttons. Upside down on a flat surface turns that phone off. Just a quick, easy way to make sure your important functions are not interrupted by a phone call. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.